Alright, got one here. I already took the part off of it. It's right here. The brake lights were coming on. When it's just sitting here kicking the cruise off, that's where the valve goes, is up in there. Hopefully I can get a video of me putting it back in there. But this valve right here is turning the brake lights on. Another shop has already replaced the brake light switch, so we know it's not that. It's this valve right here. It's leaking and putting pressure to the air switch for the brake lights and turns the cruise control off. This truck is equipped with a PTO and it's turning the PTO off also because the brake lights are on. So I'm going to change this valve out, and so I don't know if there's any way to fix this thing or not. You can let me know in the comments if there's a way to fix this valve. I just have been replacing them. And that's the new valve we got right there. You gotta take them over to the workbench and switch all the fittings over. Alright, I'm gonna swap all these things out, including the bracket. This bracket's got to be changed over too. So put this thing in the vise and get after it. Alright, got the valve all back, all the fittings back in the valve. I'm going to put the valve back in there where it goes. This one goes in here. There. This one goes in there. This one goes here. This one goes top. There. Got the wire to hook up. There we go. That's done. I got one here. Hook up. There we go. Two nuts to put back here. Ow, that was my finger. All right.